RGTI stock analysis and RGTI stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. As the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, you know, and 5 years of experience documented and actually just talking, I have it all on my YouTube channel. I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Rigetti especially is just a bullish ticker for me, and it's nothing new on the bullish side. I've been trying to be a part of this bullish side, and I've been a part of this bullish side ever since it's like $3, hoping to come beneath 5 months ago. And since then, all I can tell you, it went from freaking 3 to 21. That's a 7x. Then it did come down, and the only thing that I care about is buying, as long as I see some sort of a double break here again, right? Randomly getting involved, though, like randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So if I don't see any sort of double break here, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to buy. I do have a lot of previous RGTI receipts here. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.